Did you know KRA will now validate every shilling you declare, income and expenses? Many taxpayers are not ready. Let me show you exactly how to avoid penalties. Who is affected? This new validation affects all taxpayers in Kenya, individuals, companies, and all non-individual entities. It will apply to all 2025 income or accounting period returns submitted through the iTax platform. So what will KRA check? KRA will cross-check every income and expense you declare against three main data sources. Number one, your eTIMS and eTIMS schedules. Number two, withholding income tax gross data. And number three, import records from customs. Your iTax return must match these records. So what are the requirements? For your income and expenses to be accepted by KRA, you must have a valid electronic tax invoice, and where applicable, the buyer's PIN must be correctly transmitted. So if you have not been using electronic invoicing, this is your reminder to start. How to prepare for this validation? First, request your eTIMS or eTIMS schedules from your KRA account manager or from the help desk at your nearest KRA office. Second, make sure all your invoices are electronic and correctly transmitted on the system. And finally, keep clear and organized records of your income and expenses. Why this matters? This new process helps KRA cross-check the accuracy of all tax returns. It will reduce errors, prevent inconsistencies, and protect you from penalties, audits, and unnecessary inquiries. Preparing early ensures your 2025 return is fully compliant. What are the next steps for the taxpayers? Organize all your income and expense records for 2025. Verify that every invoice you have is electronic and properly transmitted. Get your eTIMS or eTIMS schedules from KRA, and when filing your 2025 return, make sure the information you submit is accurate and matches the data in the KRA systems. And that is all from us today. If you have any questions or need help understanding these changes, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tax updates and step-by-step guides. Stay ahead and avoid issues by preparing early for the KRA validation beginning January 2026. See you in the next episode.